Hello everyone. In this video, we will be solving another very easy problem, which is reversing an array. So you will be given an array as an input, and you need to reverse that array. Okay. So it's a very easy problem. Again, directly jumping into the code, before we will just see about the intuition or the logic behind the problem. So consider this is an array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and our job is to reverse it. So again, it's a very simple task. So what will I do is, again I will assign one variable s at the starting and one variable e in the end. Okay, and this will be in a while loop. Okay, so you may notice that this approach is somewhat kind of similar to that we have used in binary search, but it's a little different, not exactly same. So again, yes, um, we are using two variable or two pointers method actually. So one is at the start and one variable is at the end. And what we will do is, we will initialize these two variables at their respective position start and end, and we will start swapping. Okay, so what is logic of swapping? Okay, logic of swapping says, consider two variables x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 10, and you just need to swap the values of these two. So value of x after swapping must contain value of y, and value of y after swapping must contain value of x. So how to do this or how to achieve this? So basically there are two approach to swap. One is using bitwise operators, and another one is direct using a temporary third variable. So in this I am using the temporary third variable logic, and in the later videos when we will talk about bitwise operations, in that we will deal about how to perform swapping using bitwise operators. So what does the logic of using a temporary variable says? It says that basically what we will do is we will declare a temporary variable like int temp, and in temp we will assign the value x, then x will be equal to y. So y में जो भी वैल्यू रहेगी वो x में चली जाएगी, एंड लास्टली y में जो वैल्यू है वो हम temp से डाल देंगे, बिकॉज temp we have already stored the value of x. So in temp we will first store the value of x, then by writing x is equal to y we will override whatever the previous value that was present in x, that will be override or overlap with the value present in y. But now here I cannot write y is equal to x. Here I cannot write y is equal to x. Reason, because now value of x has been already overlapped with the value of y. Hence हमने तीसरा एक टेम्पररी वेरिएबल यूज करा जो x की पुरानी वैल्यू को स्टोर करके रखेगा, and then lastly hence y is equal to temp. So this was the logic behind swapping. Okay, so after swapping x will have value 10 and y will have value 5. Okay, so I hope logic of swapping is clear. So what we will do is, we will initialize this s and e at their respective start and end positions, and we will start swapping. Okay, so now s will become, after swapping, will become 9 and this will become 1. Then what we will do, s plus plus, and initially e was at end, so e minus minus, Then again we will do swapping. 8 here, it will become 2. Okay. Okay, once swapping is done, again s plus plus and e minus minus, again swapping. 7 3. Okay, once swapping is done, again s plus plus e minus minus. Okay, then again swapping, so here it will become 6, here it will become 4. Now a point will come when s will be equal to e. Both s and v will come at a single position. Okay, here. So once s and e both are at same position, or s becomes, or s crosses e, so s will now come here or and e will come here like this. तो अगर s e से बड़ा हो गया, okay, the similar logic that was there in binary search, जब तक till s is less than or equal to e, once s becomes greater than e, okay, we will stop the while loop and we will return the array. Okay, so I hope the logic and this dry run part was clear. We did nothing, start and end we initialized, and after initialized we did swapping s plus plus e minus minus, swapping s plus plus e minus minus, swapping s plus plus e minus minus, till when? Till s is less than or equal to e. Once s crosses e and s becomes greater than e, we will stop the while loop. Okay, so let's now dive into coding. Code देख लेते हैं इसका. So it's simple. एक len variable ले लेते हैं, variable of any length from user, and then you know array declare कर लेंगे as we usually do. Perfect. Array initialize भी कर देंगे. 20 I is equal to 0, I less than len I plus plus, no, arr of I to I plus 1. Randomly कुछ भी initialize कर देंगे array को. ठीक है, as we always do. Now first what we will do is we will print the original array. System dot out dot println original array. Okay, and we'll use for each loop for it. For int x arr system dot out dot print x plus is2. ठीक है, and oh no, sorry, it should be here. And then next line println. Great. Now what we'll do, we will call our function reverse array and pass our array as an input to it, and once the reverse has been done, we will again print that array system dot println. So here it is, what, reversed array, and again just write a for each loop for printing the array as usual, as we did earlier. System dot out dot print x plus and next line system dot out dot println. ठीक है, great. Now only part is remaining is writing the logic for our function which we called here reverse array. Now as we are not returning anything in this, the data type or return type for the function will be void. Now proceeding further, name of our function is reverse array, and our array will go as an input in this. Perfect. Now we will initialize s and e as we discussed in dry run. S is equal to 0, int e is equal to arr dot length minus 1. Perfect. And then again same, while s is less than or equal to e. Okay, then write the logic of swapping. Int temp is equal to arr of s, arr of s is equal to arr of e, and arr of e is equal to temp. Now swapping is done. Now what is remaining? Incrementing s and decrementing e. So s plus plus and e minus minus. Okay, so you can just write this in a single line, e minus minus. Okay, perfect. And as it is a void, we don't need to return anything. So let's create an array of size 9, and let's see if we get any errors, and try to compile and run this. Oh, so there is an error. Oh, a semicolon is missing. Oh, so see, we are getting original array 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then a reversed array 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. So our logic is working perfectly. So I hope you got the logic behind reversing an array, and this was very important logic. You need to remember this, because after few videos we will be solving a problem relating to rotating an array. Okay, relating to rotating an array, left rotate or right rotate an array. So in rotating array, we use this same logic again, but in a slightly modified way. Okay, but in a slightly modified way. So I hope you are clear with the logic. Thank you for watching till end. If you think I was able to contribute in your logic building, please do like and subscribe, and I will keep posting such videos, as my only motive is to contribute into logic building. So thank you everyone. Thanks a lot.